Courses in the cement industry. Present to you. In this course we will explain advanced maintenance techniques for rotary kiln and Atox raw mill. Course 1. Rotary kiln. This course contents A. Introduction to maintenance types. B. Kiln maintenance contains 1. Major factors influencing maintenance. 2. Maintenance components. C. Atox raw mill maintenance contains 1. Maintenance techniques. 2. Condition-based maintenance. A. Introduction to maintenance types. 1. Reactive maintenance. 2. Preventive maintenance. 3. Predictive maintenance. 4. Reliability-centered maintenance. Maintenance techniques. A. Reactive maintenance, one of most important characteristics. 1. Allow machinery to run to failure. 2. Unplanned breakdown resulting in production loss. 3. Repair or replace damaged equipment, when obvious problems occur. 4. Common for small parts, or equipment that don't affect production process. B. Preventive maintenance, one of most important characteristics. 1. Schedule maintenance activities, at predetermined time intervals. 2. Normally recommendations from OEM, original equipment manufactured, are followed. Example: oil replacement, overhauling, routine maintenance checkups, etc. 3. Repair or replace damaged equipment, before obvious problems occur. C. Predictive maintenance, one of most important characteristics. 1. Schedule maintenance activities, when mechanical or operational conditions warrant. 2. Actually based on operating behavior of equipment, that is recorded through condition monitoring techniques, measuring actual conditions. Example: operating temperature, vibrations, etc. 3. On basis of abnormalities, maintenance is planned and executed to eliminate risk of unplanned breakdown. C. Reliability-centered maintenance, one of most important characteristics. 1. Utilizes predictive and preventive maintenance techniques, with root cause failure analysis to detect and pinpoint the precise problems. 2. Advanced installation and repair techniques, including potential equipment redesign or modification, are applied to avoid or eliminate problems from occurring. In this section we discuss B. Rotary kiln. Objective for rotary kiln: 24 hours, continuous operation. Major factors influencing maintenance, for rotary kiln. See this table. And see this table. Mechanical stability. Rotary kiln mechanical stability is based on 4 major aspects. Rotary kiln maintenance plans are directly affected by these. 1. Ovality. 2. Rotary kiln axis. 3. Axial balance. 4. Rotary kiln crank. Mechanical stability. 1. Rotary kiln shell ovality. The ovality is defined by the degree of deformation of the rotary kill shell, and determines the distribution of the cyclic, circumferential bending stresses in the rotary kill shell at supports. Excessive ovality can result in 1. Circumferential bending fatigue, in the rotary kill shell up to damage. 2. Refractory lining failures. Rotary kill shell ovality. The ovality is checked on the basis of the tire migration. 1. Increase in migration leads to more ovality. 2. Migration is controlled by maintaining gap between tire and shell. When thickness of adjustment shims determine T equals V times 10 over 2 pi, where V equals migration pi equals 22 over 7. Rotary kill axis and alignment. 1. The rotary kill axis is the line connecting the crossing points of the neutral planes for bending in vertical and horizontal plane over the rotary kill support. 2. It determines the distribution of the rotary kill weight load between the supports. Misalignment of the rotary kill axis may result in 1. Overloading of supports. 2. Excessive stresses in rotary kill shell and tires. 3. Supporting roller bearing overload. Axial balance. The state of axial balance is defined by the degree of parallelism between the rotary kill axis and the axes of the individual supporting rollers, determining the magnitude and directions of the axial frictional forces between the tires and supporting rollers, and on the thrust roller. Large axial forces may result in 1. Hot supporting roller bearings. 2. Failure of the thrust device. 3. Damaged end seals. Hot rotary kill alignment. 1. Hot rotary kill alignments ensure that your rotary kill keeps operating at maximum efficiency throughout its entire service life. An alignment helps you avoid any unforeseen breakdowns, and maintain full rotary kill availability and productivity, resulting in optimum rotary kill performance, and maximum production. 2. Rotary kill alignment is part of a preventative maintenance strategy that identifies the actual cause behind problems, and recommends a more efficient solution. A rotary kill alignment also helps diagnose potential causes of failure before problems occur. Rotary kill crank. If during rotation of rotary kill, support load vary cyclically, with rotary kill rotational frequency, then rotary kill is said to have a crank. A rotary kill crank can cause excessive, extra, cyclic loads between supporting rollers and tires, and stresses in the rotary kill shell. Types of crank. A. Mechanical crank. Permanent deformation in the rotary kill shell is mechanical crank. 1. Due to bad alignment during erection. 2. Sudden rotary kill stop and not rotated for a longer period. B. Thermal crank. Caused by temperature variations along the circumference of the rotary kill shell. 1. Due to damages lining, uneven coatings along the rotary kill axis. 2. Present during operation only. Effects of crank. Excessive crank formation can lead to 1. Failure of contact surfaces, supporting roller shafts, tires, rotary kill shell and lining. 2. In extreme cases tire is lifted from rollers. The rotary kill shell is checked for crank formation by measuring the variations in the deflection of the supporting roller shafts, which has to stay within certain limits. See this video. Maintenance components. Following are the major parts and component must be considered during maintenance plan of rotary kiln. 1. Rotary kiln inlet and outlet seal. 2. Rotary kiln shell. 3. Rotary kiln supporting rollers and tires. 4. Rotary kiln thrust roller. 5. Rotary kiln drive. Rotary kiln inlet and outlet seal. To control false air infiltration in pyro process. Types of seal. 1. Rotary kiln lamella seal. 2. Rotary kiln pneumatic slide seal. 3. Rotary kiln graphite block seal, latest innovation. Maintenance. 1. During operation, gap between rotary kiln rotating part and stationary seal should be checked and adjusted. 2. During planned shutdown, replacement of worn out seal parts must perform to avoid loss of fuel, in terms of extra heat generation, due to false and cold air infiltration. We follow together. Maintenance. Preventive maintenance. 1. Replacement after life achievement, or 2 years normally. 2. Induce some maintenance cost. Predictive maintenance. 1. Measurement of thickness of worn out portion, and calculate further usable life. 2. Plan for replacement, even after achieving, or 2 years life. 3. Resulting in saving maintenance cost. Rotary kiln shell. Rotary kiln shell condition to be analyzed every 2 years, by hot rotary kiln alignment services, for better control on its operation. Operation. 1. As steel starting losing its strength above 400 degree, so during operation shell temperatures must observed, and recorded to avoid shell deformation damage, in case of red spot, if uncontrolled and expanding. 2. In case of sudden breakdown, rotary kiln should be started without any delay, to save shell from permanent deformation. Maintenance. 1. Measurement of shell thickness annually, to check wear and tear. 2. In case of shell crank, steps should be taken as per recommendations, by hot rotary kiln alignment reports. See this video.
Action. Hot kiln alignment is a process of measurement and adjustment kiln parts, to result in optimum setting of the kiln geometry, tires, rollers and etc. And that to attain the best productivity of the kiln. Hot or dynamic kiln alignment is an elixir and remedy to the plethora of cost associated with the consequential loss of production, as it is carried out during normal kiln operation. The alignment of the rotary kiln plays a very crucial role in determining the plant availability, thereby increasing production, reducing operating cost, and increasing profits. Proper measurement readings is a key component in any kiln alignment. In this video, we will focus on the kiln measurements, which allow a full diagnosis of the kiln's problems, so the plant will have complete mechanical information of the equipment. By this way, knowing the exact scenario and the best decisions for a better equipment behavior can be made, according to the results of the measurements and the mechanical condition of the equipment. Kiln adjustment activities can be started to align it, and to achieve the best conditions for improving the lifetime and availability of the equipment.
We follow together. Maintenance. Preventive. 1. Temperature monitoring of shell. 2. Thickness measurement in shutdown. Acceptable normal approach. Predictive. Hot rotary kiln alignment. 1. To check rotary kiln shell crank, ovality, alignment. 2. Execute a plan, to remove any abnormality. Most reliable technique, to ensure life and continuous operation. Rotary Kiln supporting rollers, and tires. As supporting rollers are bearing rotary kiln weight, vertical and partial axial. Maintenance. 1. Lubrication of roller and tire surface, with graphite block to avoid wearing. 2. Condition of lubrication oil, to check periodically. 3. Cooling system for bearing checked. We follow together: maintenance, preventive, routine inspection. 1. Graphite blocks for surface lubrication between roller and tire. 2. Oil replacement after achieving running hours. 3. Oil circulation condition. Normal approach. Predictive. 1. Oil sampling to check condition and predict usable life, more than running hours. 2. Ultrasonic testing of roller surface, for any crack and tackle, any abnormality by planning. Reliable approach. Rotary Kiln thrust roller. Thrust roller hold the rotary kiln axially, and also perform floating of rotary kiln, with help of hydraulic system installed. Maintenance. 1. Lubrication of roller surface, with graphite block to avoid wearing. 2. Condition of lubrication oil, to check periodically. We follow together: maintenance, preventive, routine inspection. 1. Graphite blocks for surface lubrication. 2. If inside thrust oil, replacement after achieving running hours. Pressure variation to be observed. Predictive. 1. Oil sampling to check condition, and predict usable life, more than running hours. 2. Rotary kiln axial balance, to be checked by detail hot kiln alignment, and perform adjustment, if needed. Rotary kiln drive. Rotary kiln drive for 3 base, rotary kiln is containing girth gear. Maintenance. 1. Lubrication of gear pinion. 2. Condition of lubrication oil, to check periodically. 3. Cooling system, for gearbox to be checked. We follow together: maintenance, preventive, routine inspection. 1. Lubrication system of girth gear. 2. Measurement of vibration periodically. 3. Oil replacement after achievement of running hours. Predictive. 1. Measurement of root clearance and backlash. 2. Measurement of gear wobbling, rectify if abnormal. 3. Oil sampling of gear oil to predict usable life, saving maintenance cost. Thank you for watching, and I hope these courses are helpful to everyone. Subscribing to this channel Cement Industry Courses would be appreciated. Thank you.